Hello, I just bought a GoPro Hero 10 Black Edition and it wouldn't pick up the battery, wouldn't do diddly shit. It's getting pissed off that plugged in to charge up the battery, still no light on the back or the front. I just presumed it was the battery inside it, so I went out and bought a brand new battery. There it is there. One of those white ones instead of the blue ones. I ended up pulling it apart and measuring, and it broke, so that's a bit of a waste of time. Also got me a proper Evo Plus U3 memory card. It was on special, so I got that and put that in, and it had the same problem. There was still no light there. Plugged it in, still no light, wouldn't even turn on. I could plug it in, take the battery out, take the memory card out, and it would start up fine. So what I found is the memory card actually requires memory and power. So I was just out of curiosity, I went and got one of these little picks cleaners off Timu. It's to clean your cell phone ports. Dipped it in a bit of ISO, and what I did was I took the memory card out, took the battery out, obviously unplugged it, and I got the pick and I cleaned and cleaned and cleaned. I went up and down, left and right, let it to dry, and as you can see, it's all good to go. See if I can do this one hand there. That's the old blue battery in there, and there we go. And as you can see, yes, because it shut down on me, as you can see, the battery now is detected. So my understanding is, this is the first time with a GoPro whatsoever, my understanding is to leave that memory card actually in there. Don't keep on taking it in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. It did take me like 3-4 attempts. This battery here wouldn't even start up on this whatsoever. But yeah, it's all going, records. It's recording at the moment. Red light's flashing. But I do get the odd, I think this battery is stuffed because I haven't got the new one in there, and I haven't charged this one up. As I said, I've got a brand new battery, but yeah, that's what I found. It is detecting the old batteries and the new batteries. So that's the go. I suggest to do a factory reset. Yes, you will have to change all your settings and everything. And another thing I found out, if you do buy a new memory card, or you've still got your old memory card in there, take memory card out or leave it in there and grab all your files off it, and then go into the settings and go right down to reset, and then go to format your SD card, because that will actually make it run way better and it be linked and paired to your GoPro. Yeah, so that's what I've found so far. If you have any more extra things to add, yeah, be much appreciated. Cheers.